Welcome to Khatana Cooling System. Offer cooling tower and chiller plant services. The company was incorporated in the year 2003 at Gurgaon. Our good financial position and total quality management make us stand apart from all brands. We are backed by complete client satisfaction and streamlined business policies. Victor Limited and Apollo Tire are some of our esteemed clients. We offer a vast range of chiller plant and cooling tower services. Our chiller plant services are widely acclaimed in the market. Condenser pump services offered by us are highly efficient. Our cooling tower services are best in the industry amongst others. We also provide cooling tower part services that are cost-effective. Along with that, we offer low-site AMC contractors that are a class apart. To get more information, log on at www.khatanacoolingsystem.in.